Hey guys, I am in Kemp, Texas. If you're a local like me, you know some people can make two or three syllables out of Kemp, Texas. Anyway, I am at 844, no, wait a minute, that is not right, 8400 Lady Bird Lane, and she has been refreshed and she's ready for her next chapter in life. Sitting on a nice large lot, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, attractively priced, would be a great starter home, but at that 4-bedroom, 2-bath, she has room to grow with you. And the cherry on top is, from where I'm sitting on the front porch, there is a little bit of a lake view. It is just a little bit of a lake view in the summertime. The trees are a little bit in the way, but I can see a little bit of blue peeking through the trees. And in the wintertime, when the trees are a little more bare, you've got a lot better view. Anyway, let's go take a look at 8400 Lady Bird Lane in Kemp, Texas.